In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Higgsfield AI's tools for images, video, editing, and characters. Start by heading to the Higgsfield AI website. As the page loads, you'll be greeted by a clean workspace filled with options designed for AI creation. Think of this as your hub. Everything you need to build, refine, and experiment with visuals is organized here, so you can jump in without digging through menus. Move your cursor to the image section and hover over it. You'll see a range of tools used to create AI images. InPaint lets you fix or replace parts of an image by simply highlighting an area and describing what you want. Image Upscaler enhances resolution while preserving detail, which is great for prints or professional presentations. Face Swap allows you to replace a face in an image with another one. Use clear, front-facing photos for the best results, and always make sure you have permission when working with real people. You may also see additional image utilities grouped here, each aimed at improving quality, composition, or style. Next, hover over the Video section. This is where you'll find tools for AI video creation such as Draw to Video and Sketch to Video. These features take your drawings or rough storyboards and transform them into animated clips, helping you visualize ideas quickly. Shorter clips and simple compositions generally render faster and cleaner, so start small while you test styles, then scale up once you're happy with the look. Now hover over Edit. This area includes tools that support your AI generation workflow. You can refine outputs, adjust details, and streamline your process so your results match your creative goal. Use this section to tune color, structure, or prompts without starting over, especially when you want consistent results across a series of assets. Hover over Character to explore options for character creation and face swapping. Here you can define distinctive looks, then reuse the same character across multiple images or videos for a cohesive project. Consistency is key if you're building a brand or a narrative. Again, keep ethics and permissions in mind whenever you work with likenesses. Look for the Assist feature if you need help. You can send a message with your questions and get guidance on which tool to use or how to troubleshoot. Be specific about your goal to receive more precise suggestions. Finally, click on Apps to see a collection of applications that integrate with your workflow. These can accelerate production, automate repetitive tasks, or connect different parts of your project into a seamless pipeline. And that's your quick tour. Explore each section, experiment with a small test project, and use Assist and Apps to refine your results.